As LRQA, we're a service provider. We support technology vendors, we support projects, and we support manufacturers in the supply chain in complying with nuclear and other requirements. We're seeing a lot of interest in sustainability practices, but we're also seeing a lot of interest in standards such as ISO 19443 from manufacturers to be prepared. And we're seeing interest from projects in terms of Rolls-Royce SMR, Hinkley Point C, Sizewell C, and others in terms of independent third-party inspections and assessments, and readiness for operation. So Hinkley Point C, for example, is looking at getting ready to operate. Even though they've not got as far as installing all of the nuclear island yet, it's a long-term game. So as LRQA, what we've been doing is preparing both for the now and with our current clients, and preparing for the future with all of the others, including different projects in different countries. Really good question. And there are many answers, but I think the key things to pull out from a supply chain point of view are suppliers need some certainty. They need to understand how they are going to fit in, and they need to understand what their long-term goal is. As LRQA, we do a lot of work with suppliers getting them ready, and then with technology vendors and projects making sure they're receiving what they need. But what all of those interest groups need is that consistency. We have the common purpose, we've got the COP28 tripling nuclear pledge, so we can see that there's a high level purpose. But what we need is some consistency in the way forward, and some certainty that when a supplier makes an investment, they are going to see a return on that investment.